The first thing that I recommend to any client that comes to me seeking a divorce is counseling. And as much as we're divorce lawyers, and that is a service that I provide to clients, first and foremost, what I look to explore is whether or not the marriage is irretrievably broken. I firmly believe in the institution of marriage. I believe that people ought to explore every avenue to save their marriage, particularly where there are children involved. But if that doesn't work and they've tried counseling and they want to proceed, then I believe that they ought to consult with a lawyer to understand what his and her rights are under the law, because you have to make an informed decision as part of any resolution in a divorce. The best way to describe my style is, I think of it as the 3 C's: compassionate, competitive, and collaborative. And I say that because the first thing is compassion really deals with the client's needs. This is a service-oriented business. We very much understand the emotional impact of divorce and the destruction on families. So I try to be very compassionate in our practice. The competitive side that's my own personality, and there's a side of me that wants to win, and that goes directly to the results for our clients. We do well for our clients, we get results. And lastly, collaborative. Before we get into a big fight, before we go into a trial, we try to resolve things collaboratively. We try to do things so that the family can get through the process quickly and without spending a great deal of money. If an individual is contemplating a divorce, pursuing custody, child support, a prenuptial agreement perhaps, the first thing that they should do is call a lawyer. Not just any lawyer, but a lawyer who specifically practices in the area of family law, whose firm has a great reputation, and who can provide the answers that they need.